Mm. Yeah, just we have previously we have done the border spacing and border collapse. Yeah,
Mm.
with the help of this program, just create one new program, and you can change the table names, first time, last time, subject you can change also, and name also you can change. But two property need to be there. One is border collapse and border spacing in a one program.
No, here I can give border space.
No, just create new program. Yeah, you can here you can add, but just
Good
create.
evening, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, so then you also do that. Just create one new file, and inside that file, create just give one example that contain the two properties, that is border spacing and border collapse.
Okay, sir. Sir, in the same file or different two files? What are spacing and border?
Different.
Yes.
Yeah, molecular separate border spacing. Semblance. Hmm. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now stop sharing. Sudhanu, share this. Let's see what you will. Sudhanu, share this.
Sir, wait for 2 minutes, just a time.
Yeah. Yeah, Sudhanu, now share the screen.
It's the same thing.
Yes, yes. It is.
Can I make border collapse also different?
Yeah, you can give border color different. You just go to the code. Go to the code.
Print.
Yeah, share the screen and go to the code. Always share the full screen. Always share the full screen. Stop share the screen and again. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, here you can copy and paste because this is the second time. That's why you can copy and paste.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, here you can copy and copy paste. No,
Good. Copy paste means
this is whenever needed, you can.
tables, no?
Yes. Okay, Sudhanu, you continue to do this. Continue this and stop sharing.
Okay.
Go to share the screen and let's move to the next topic. Sudhanu, please continue, complete that code.
Uh, Sir,
Hmm.
here I want to know one thing, like how to move the table in the center.
Okay, so one position actually is there inside the table. Position should be middle, left or right. One property will be there.
Position is relative.
Position need to be left, right, and
Middle. Yeah, but there is no changes here. Only one option is happening, like margin left and margin right.
maximum length is not like that. Yeah, one position
Sorry.
should be there. That need to check actually.
Yeah, position I've already given.
Okay. Yeah.
Margin left and margin right. If I do this, then only it is happening to the center.
Margin right and margin left.
So only way to have this is the only way, or is there any other option?
No, this is the way actually. So position need to be fixed in the middle or maybe left, maybe right, whatever the according to the requirement, you keep the position.
That is what I'm asking, sir. Whenever I want to like move the table to the center, so
But that is
I have
but that is not the proper practice actually. You need to specify the position. Margin rate means you give the margin, you give the spacing 35%. So that's why the table will be moved. But that is not the actual thing. You need to give the position.
the position I need to fix in middle,
Position
right?
actually, yes, position and also the margin position will be.
Okay.
No, no,
So
no, no.
in order
Position and also margin, and you need to specify the margin and position.
margin and
Margin and position also, yes. That is.
okay, okay. So here one thing. Yes, just give me 1 minute. I was just practicing this. Like if I run this one, okay. So here, if I run this one, then it is like happening total, and under that, if I like, just give me one, not this one.
Yes.
Actually, there was another
CSS display.
radius. Okay, actually, I forgot which one. Actually, I was doing one.
The display of actually is there. Okay,
Mhm.
display. We have the cursor. Cursor,
Cursor.
yeah, cursor. Cursor means what is the cursor? First of all, the cursor is actually every day we already use customized cursors. Cursor means suppose you have this cursor. I mean that
Mm,
laptop cursor you have.
mm,
Inside the laptop cursor, there are so many different types of cursor is there. So that we can use by the CSS.
okay.
So basically cursor is a pointer, basically. Cursor or you
Yeah,
can say the pointers.
okay.
So cursor, what is the cursor property? Cursor property, we can give cursor and then we can give help. We can give auto, alias, all scroll, cell, context menu. So there are so many values there in the cursor. So let's do an example for the cursor.
Mm.
Cursor is pointers. Here we have taken the weight as a class, then cursor weight. So it's a one kind of cursor that is called weight.
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, and beside the coding, just in the right side, just open the output. So when the output is changing, you can understand.
Yes, yes, yes. I am doing that.
Yeah. After running, yeah. You can run now also,
Mhm.
and let's see what it is. What is looking actually? You can see that.
Yes, sir.
Yes. H1 is the CSS is applying there, and weight is your class actually. So here weight means it is buffering. Buffering means you can see the weighting. That means
Okay. So, besides weight, how many are there? Like
sideways there are so many. It is called weighting. It is one is
one,
running is there. Another is called resize, progress pointer. All is there. Just after the
okay.
weighting, just another thing. You can give auto, alias, or scroll. I'm giving you all the things and their function. So you can
Okay.
check one by one.
Got it.
Alias. After that, you can all scroll.
Which one?
All scroll.
All score. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, got it, sir. Okay.
Yes. All scroll. After you can use cell context menu.
Here is there. So many are
Yes, yes,
there, right?
yes, so many. Help, move, progress, all the things are there.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, next is, yeah, first of all, this program. Here we have seen the course list in the unordered list. And here when we go to the course list, one hand option is available. I mean hand icon. It is also the in the part of the what is it? As of the cursor. When you hover on the course list, actually it will turn into the hand shape. Let's see the code. Yes, see that the one hand shape is here. Yes. Okay. Next. Next is there one another cursor example. Here we need to make one form first of all. We need to make one form, and after that, inside that form, the when you click on that cursor, when the text field, when you click on the text field, the color will be changed. Actually.
Hmm.
Let's see, giving you the example. See, this is the example. And I think screen has been stopped. So Yes, now we are just doing one form actually. Yeah. Now enter your name in the put the cursor. Yes, same. The cards the color is red. Cursor color. Yeah, and this blue. The the email cursor is blue and the name cursor is red.
Sir, how to change the color of the input
Hmm?
of this box? Like if I want to change the color of
Yeah.
this like box, inside of the box.
Okay, that I am coming later. First of all,
Okay, okay.
we just do this. Okay. If you, yeah, normally if you want to change the color, you just need to give the polar body of the text box and you just create the text box body. You just create and body inside the body, you just give the background color, you give blue or red, anything. That is it. That one way you can do this.
Under body I have to do.
Yeah, under body, you just you can say background color you give, and after that, you just
Mm,
give the under the text box and which text box you want to give. Suppose the name text box,
mm.
and then give class and mention that class name or the mention the class dot body.
Okay, okay. Like you have to in label or ID I have to mention it and then I can do that, right?
Yes.
Yes. Got it.
And next, there are buttons. Button means suppose here you have enter your name, enter your email.
Mm.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, that background color will be red. Yes.
Yes. Got. Hmm. Done.
Okay, so here you can give, yeah, you give ID also, you give class also. No issue.
Hmm.
Next button, suppose here you are using the name and email. Suppose you need to add the buttons. So there are so many buttons are actually there. CSS buttons. So
Hmm.
how to add the CSS buttons actually? Let me see. Just 1 minute, I will. So these are the basic button style you can add this. Just 1 minute. Yes. Inside the button, background color you need to give, then color, then padding, then border, then font size.
Okay, sir. Where should I put this button?
Yes, yes. You just create the one button.
In
And
a
here,
separate file.
here, just I'm giving here this button. You can add. Yeah, here you can add also. Button class my
Hmm.
button, then click me, then button type. Yeah, click me. And instead of click me, just here, instead of click me text, just change the text and give register. That will be better. Register and reset. Another button create and register. Yeah, register and usage. Yes. And we can add different styling. Now I am giving. We can add button hover, we can add button active. So let's do it. Yeah, this property you can also add. See in the chat. Button hover and button. Yes. When you hover on this, the color will change.
Color,
Color
which
will change.
colors?
Yeah, change the color.
Yes. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
And the active color I can also change it. Yes, it will be better. And change this into orange. Yes. Whenever
Yeah. When you hover on
yes.
this, then the color will be red. But when you click on this, the color will be orange.
Hmm. Color is changing on to orange.
So many styling is there. Another styling is there.
Hmm.
Um, button size we can fix. Button borders and shadows we can give.
So, one thing I want to ask here,
Hmm.
uh, whenever I'm giving here, like button hover and button active,
Activities.
then if I'm like adding more buttons, then this one will be applicable to all that button, right? But if I
Yes, yes. Yes.
want to
When
like
you write the
only
inside the style tag, whatever the property you write, that is applicable for the all the buttons.
like globally it is going to
Globally,
change.
yes. Yes. Globally, it will be applicable.
And here,
So
if I go on
in
to
that
dot,
case, yeah. So you don't need
hmm,
to write each and every. So you have 10 buttons, suppose in one website. So for the 10 buttons, you don't need to write the 10 times their button here.
hmm,
In one style, under the one style tag, you give button
hmm,
who are
hmm.
active, and it will be applicable for all the buttons.
Okay,
So that will be very easy because if suppose you are creating 5 buttons, and for the 5 buttons, you just need to create one by one button active button. So this will the code will be very big and complex.
yes.
So there another is box shadow. It's another property, box shadow and border.
Box.
Yeah. Just see in the under the total border, one shadow will appear.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Audible.
Mm. Okay, next
Sir,
is
what is this
yeah.
like RGBA? Why? Can you please
RGBA,
explain
yeah,
this one?
RGBA means it is one kind of coding of the color. We come to the coding, color coding. You can give RGBA, you can give hexadecimal, you can give only decimal. So there are color scheme actually. So here RGBA 0008 means
Hmm.
you,
Hmm.
one it indicate the one color actually. It is called color coding.
Okay.
RGBA means it
And
is
what about this
hmm,
024 and RGBA?
0 to 4 pixel actually it is define your box shadow shape actually. What is the actual size of the shadow?
So is it like
Defined by the shadow.
top
Not
right,
it is not defined
bottom,
by
and
the box
left?
actually. It is defined by the this 0 to 4 pixel actually. It is the space defined by the box shadow actually, not the button. Button space is different, but here box shadow space is different.
Okay, so whenever I will put the shadow,
Hmm.
we have to do it like this way only, right?
This way, yes. 0 to 4 pixel, then RGBA 0008. Or you can change
Okay.
the number also. If you need to change the color of the box shadow, you can change.
Okay, okay, fine. Like initially, we have to remember this one for the shadow purpose.
Yes, shadow box shadow.
Okay, fine.
Next is CSS float. Float means you have floating left, floating right. CSS float property actually the positioning property. So one by one it
Yes.
is floating. Floating means it is suppose it is running actually basically. It is called floating. And it is used to push an element to the left to the right or right to the left. So it is changing its position into the web page. So let's take on example to understand the floating. And there are two types of float. One is clear and another is float. And value will be left, right, initial and inherit. Okay, so let's take one example.
Hmm. I'm creating a new file then.
Yes, it's getting the
What will be this float?
float. Yes. Yeah, Shudanu, understand this button? Hello, Shudanu there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
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 So here I have to give the source, I guess, right?
Yes. Yeah, around there.
Mm, yes.
Just paste the picture in your HTML folder.
I have that picture.
Yeah, download this. After that, after downloading this,
Hmm.
hmm, hmm. So this is basically on frame, floating frame,
Hmm.
because
It's
it's two
going on
point.
right side.
Okay, next we have CSS font. CSS font, you have CSS font colors, CSS font family, font size, font style, font variant, and font. So different CSS colors actually there. See, different style. So first of all, font color. You know, just font means styling of the text. I mean, italic, bold, different styling of the font.
Hmm.
Hmm. Yeah, after that you can do the font family. That is font color. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Okay, now create
Yes, sir.
another file. Yeah. Create
Hmm.
another file and this the last, that is font style. Maybe italic, maybe oblique, and maybe normal. Font style.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes. First is italic and after that is oblique and is normal. Normal means normal text actually.
Hmm. We don't need this, right? I guess because everyone
Yes.
see here normally all.
Hmm. Yeah, normal means basically it's normal. For example.
Hmm. So you can do this something. You can do this bold or underline. Underline will be there, right?
No, no, there will be no underline.
Okay, okay.
What are the other values are there? You just delete the boulder. Yeah, and
Hmm.
control space. Control space. Yeah, see now. Inherit initial answer bar. So basically there are three types: italic, normal, and oblique.
Oblique. Okay. What is this, sir? Inherit and initial.
Inherit means suppose what is the original thing? That original thing is actually come. I mean basically normal. Actually.
Okay. An initial.
Initial means whatever the initial you have, and actually it is not there in the text actually. Inherit and initial actually
Okay,
they
okay.
are more in the another property, not in the not here.
Okay. Okay, sir. Next.
Okay. Yeah, today is up to this. Next day will continue.
Okay. So is there any task you will going to give?
Okay, just make one form. Just you need to submit in the group. Make one form. I mean, suppose one registration form. All the fields will be there and styled in that form. Add some CSS, coloring, whatever your needs actually, whatever you like. Give the colors, give the styling, and ready one form registration. Okay, Sudharma?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So make one form with the styling.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and stop the recording.